Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I have a swatch video for you today and it's one of quite a few that are going to be coming up because I have had such an extended break over the Christmas holidays. I've got loads of things to show you. So this is the Ugly Duckling Platinum collection. It has been out for a little while and I'm just obviously showing you now. So it's 6 colours and they range from 101 to 106. So I'll link each number on the screen. Now they're kind of like a cross between a glitter and a gold leaf gel polish. So they're different colours obviously, but they're just absolutely beautiful. Now, a couple of things before I start. Ugly Duckling has just launched in the States. Obviously they are a Canadian brand, so they are in Canada, and Canada does ship worldwide, I believe. And we have Melbourne, Australia. The lovely Mary is amazing. So if you're in Australia, I highly recommend you check her out. And imminently they are about to open in the UK. So that is great news. So all the people that have been asking and asking and asking, it's happening very soon. When it does happen, the one tip that I would give you is get this and get backups, because this matte top coat, as you know, is insane and it sells out like hotcakes. So if there's one piece of advice I can give you, it's get backups. All right, I'm going to pop the colours on the screen. I'm going to do the swatches and I'll come back at the end.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real, and I want you till dreams grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fly with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up for you. It's standing up. It's standing up for you. It's standing up. It's standing up for you. Break down when we're apart. Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. 'Cause you make me feel we're in this for real, and I want you till dreams grow on the moon.
Okay, so that is all 6 colours and I've finished off with the Ugly Duckling No Wipe top coat, which is also awesome. And these colours are stunning. Now the best way to apply these is to use a super light hand, because if you go in quite heavy, you actually end up wiping off the first coat. So go in quite light-handed with the first coat. You can remove some if you put too much on. They're very, very easy to work with. And just look at those colours. With 2 coats, they are absolutely stunning. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. As I said, imminently Ugly Duckling will be in the UK. They have a brand new US stockist. They're in Canada and they are in Melbourne, Australia. So I am going to come back with another swatch video for you very soon with the next lot of colours that I want to show you. So if you've got any questions, guys, leave them in the comments box. Thumbs up if you like the video. I will link these below, as I said, and please subscribe if you haven't. I will be back very soon with another video, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.